Hey guys and gals, Sean and Bob. We are going to do the random for the dual symbols card pulled from break number 60. Has the Redskins, which is Bob Doak, and the Cowboys, which is Sean Gunder. Has Kirk Cousins and Tony Romo, numbered to 149. NFL Shield out of black gold, 2015. We're going to go to random.org. First, I'm going to type here, randoming now. And the timestamp reads Monday, May 15th, 2017 at 1:35 p.m. Central Time. We're going to go to random.org. Got two teams, Skins and the Boys. I'm going to put their names down twice. Skins, Boys, Skins, Boys. The Skins are on the left side, the Boys are on the right side of the card. We're going to go to the dice. We're going to roll 3 dice. Our dice roll is 6, 2, and 6. That's 14. We're going to randomize these teams 14 times. After the 14th randomization, whatever team is on top will get this card in their package. And all packages will be sent out tomorrow morning. Good luck. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We randomized 13 times. I'm going to go back to the dice. We got 6, 2, and 6 is 14. I'm going to randomize one more time. Top spot gets the card. Good luck. Here we go. Number 14. The Cowboys are going to get this card. Congratulations. Thank you very much. And y'all have a good day. Hold on. I'm going to do done. The time is Monday, May 15th, 2017 at 1:36 p.m. Central Time. It'll take about 2 minutes to upload and post it. Congratulations to the winner. Thank you.